Hey guys, it's me, XX Pro Gamer here. Today we are going to try some MLG Sound board. I will not be speaking through this unless you can't hear, so I hope you guys enjoy. I will not put Wombo Combo or Smoke Weed Every Day or Spooky because you guys might not be allowed to watch these things because these have swears in and I don't think it's that appropriate. So hope you guys enjoy. Sorry if I did Dandrew Dankstormer. I think I did it twice, but yeah. Next one.
No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that in the history of Dota!
Okay guys, so when I'm going to do the next one, which is, oh my god, if you guys have headphones on, please, I require to turn down the music down because this one is going to be a long one, same as Dandrew Dankstorm. So, yeah. Okay guys, I can't do the next one because I'm not allowed, and just for offenses if you guys are not allowed to watch these things again, so I'll just put Tactical Nuke, then we'll go on the next one. We won't do Wombo Combo because that also has a swearing, just because offenses if your parents will let you watch these things. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Tactical Nuke incoming! Damn son, which one is? Damn son, where'd you find this?
The recommended amount of dedicated RAM I should have to the server.
So as you see, hit marker is this noise. Yeah, it's really short, so yeah. Next one.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah! Yes! Oh, my God!
Okay, guys. Now the next one, when it says spooky, this is based on the Illuminati music. So if you guys ain't allowed to watch this, I recommend do not hear this, and I won't put it on. But in the next video, it'll only be like a few seconds. If you can't watch these things like smoke weed every day, wombo combo, and spooky, then I'll do that in the next video. If you guys aren't allowed to watch this, then don't put this one on. It will be called MLG Soundboard Part 2. If you can't watch these things, I recommend do not click on the video. Thank you, guys.
What you say? Wow.
Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. Sorry if it's really short, but this is all I can do now.